All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the webinar, The 60-Minute Trader, Trade Futures for Lifetime of Steady Income. In this webinar, we will give you a demo of Sliver Bullet Trading System, particularly the software, automated software part of the trading system. But before I get started, the statutory disclaimer that anything we show is not a guarantee. It's a representation of the possibility that traders have, the edge that traders would have using our program, that's Sliver Bullet Trading System. So individual results may vary from person to person. So this presentation is about Sliver Bullet Trading System. It could be your path to financial freedom. And I am Rao K, the founder of Sliver Trades and the architect of Sliver Bullet Trading System. We are a company based in Chicago, Illinois. So what I'm going to do today is give you a demo of the software Sliver Bullet Pro and show you how it takes trades and makes profits consistently. And there is a detailed presentation part of it, which I have done many times, and the recording of the same is available on our YouTube channel. You can search for Sliver Bullet Trading System on YouTube, and you can find the channel and watch the detailed video. But in this webinar, I will give you an overview of this system and specifically focus on the software part of the system, which mostly people are interested. So this is NQ futures symbol for NASDAQ. And I have a chart or a special Renko chart on the screen. And here I'm going to load the software, our Sliver Bullet Pro signature software. And there are different parameters here. You see ATM1, ATM2, ATM3. These parameters tell the software how many contracts to use for trading. So ATM1 uses one contract, 2 uses 2 contracts, and 3 uses 3 contracts. So depending on your risk appetite and profit and loss, um, profit targets and loss parameters, you can decide which ATM to choose during your execution. And here we have a maximum loss and profit targets. So we can set these max loss parameters to a number that we wish. I'll put it at 2,500, and my profit target would be $2,000. And we'll see if the software achieves this profit target without losing 2,500. And I will enable the software here. And here is the timer for the playback. I can use yesterday's data, yesterday's market data, which I have downloaded, and I can use that market data to show you how the software would have behaved if we turned it on and took trades. So 8:30 in the morning, market opens, 8:30 Central Time, and I set the timer to 8:30 a.m. as of yesterday, and I'm going to run this demo using that data. Here you see, here I have set it at 8:30 and 1 second, and in 1 second I know the market has opened below yesterday's close and significantly below yesterday's close. So the question would be, is it going to go down further, or is it going to snap back to the area to fill this gap? So these are the considerations we have. And I see that there are different levels here. I see 1, 2, and 3. Usually, if it's opened somewhere here in level 1, I would have assumed that market is going to fluctuate and then going to go down. But here it is opened way below, like 2 levels below, and to the extreme of the second level. So I would assume this is going to be either a choppy market, or uh, most likely it's going to fill the gap than going down further, because market has been going down yesterday and it has opened below. So I think it has stretched itself quite a bit. So stretching itself further down is less likely. But let's see. Well, but initially I will, just let the software take trades. These are the buttons. This is a user interface of the software, these colorful buttons. And we can choose whichever ATM we want, and we can decide which direction we want to trade, whether to trade long or short automatically. And these are different strategy buttons, which we teach in our academy as to which strategy to use in what market. And this is the stop button, which stops the trade automatically. It's manually instead of automatically. And these are manual buy sell buttons. So in addition to automated long short buttons, we have manual buy sell buttons as well. And there are this scale in mode and aggressive mode. Scale in mode lets you come out of trade automatically if it goes against you. It does it by adding more contracts to an existing position and coming out at a break-even price. So in our academy, we teach to understand and predict the direction of the market and trade accordingly. But here I am going to since I'm interested in showing you the power of this software, I'm going to let it take both long and short trades automatically without any consideration to the direction, and see if the software helps us achieve $2,000 in profits and how long it takes. So I'm going to turn the software on here.
Order target filled.
So if you see, first trade was taken with 2 contracts, and first contract already got closed, and second contract is still open. And if the price goes up here to this green sell limit level, that position will also close, and we will see the profit, how much it made. So I'll let it run.
Order filled.
So market went against the
Target
position,
filled.
so it added more contracts and came out for smaller profits. So $73 it made in the first leg of trading. So let me expand it and show you what's going on here. In fact, let me remove certain parameters from here, so it's cleaner to view. Easy for you to see what's going on. So I just have 2 indicators, nothing else, so it's easy to see. I will turn the time playback mode on and wait for my next trade. So here, so from the, it shows that first trade had $43 of loss, second trade had $116 of profit. So the net profit is $73 at this moment. So here we keep going.
Target,
so one more trade.
Filled.
So here it made $131 of profits, and one more trade took place, and again $131 of profit.
Order target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So far we made $599, close to $600 of profit since the market opened. In 4 minutes 9 seconds, the software took these trades automatically, 6 trades total, and made $600 in profit. So this is a decent amount of money for any family, at least an average family in the United States.
Order target filled. Order filled.
But our goal is to see if it makes $2,000.
Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
I have increased the speed here of the playback.
Target filled. Order target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
$89, close to $1,000 it is since 11 minutes of market open.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So I'll increase the speed some more, so
Order filled. Target filled.
we get to see the end results sooner.
Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
$1,647.
Order target filled. Order target filled. Target filled.
$1,900. One more trade,
Order filled.
and we should be able to reach our target.
Target filled.
So $2,000, we reached our target. Here, the message displays on the screen that total profit target reached. And here we see trade buttons disabled. So the software will not take trades anymore because it has reached its profit target. So this is to give you a demo of this software and what it's capable of. But this is not all. The software is just an aid here. It's as a trader, it's important for us to read the market, be able to read the market, and that's what we teach in our academy, Sliver Trades Academy. We provide the education that you need to understand the market and decide which direction to trade. Here in this demo, I let the software take trades automatically in both the directions, but in real life, we should choose a direction and take trades in that direction most of the time. We should not let the software do things on its own. So, this system is to help individuals achieve financial freedom. So that people can travel, own a home, pursue their passions without any financial constraints. And we believe trading can help them achieve that kind of freedom, economic freedom. And it happens when we look at trading as a business. A business has a cost component and an income component. Cost component of this business could be having a computer, internet, data feed, trading platform, trading funds, trading education, automated software, all that. And all these costs could add up to like $40,000 to $50,000 one time. And I have taken a very small profit goal here, $50 per day, trading 1 hour, because the average, income of person in the United States is $50 per hour. In fact, it's less than $50 per hour, but I have taken, if you are sparing 1 hour of your time instead of doing something else, the cost of that hour would be $50, give or take, So this is a nominal number, and at least for spending your 1 hour, you should be able to get back that $50. So if that's the income target, you get in 20 days of trading in a month, you will make only $1,000, and that's not a big money. That is $12,000 a year. That's not even pay your rent or mortgage. So our goal is to evaluate whether trading can be set up as a business at the 1/10 of this cost. Instead of 50,000, if it's possible to set this up as a business for $5,000, and at the same time increase the income potential by 10 folds. That's $10,000 per month. So 5,000 one-time investment and $10,000 every month. If we can achieve that, then trading can be a truly profitable and good business. So, but trading requires time and skill investment because trading is complex. There are no guarantees in trading, and people make mistakes, same mistakes again and again, which through our education, we help our traders eliminate. Um, so there are this. I would let the viewers go through one of our videos and understand how this whole system works. But uh, on YouTube, you can find all the details as to what kind of market conditions we advocate, what are the different types of market conditions, what market conditions to avoid, the market DNA. Uh, we covered in that previous webinars, and in our training, we cover them even more. So in this presentation, I'm just giving you a outline of our Sliver Bullet Trading System and how it works. And one round of demo I have already given, and at this time, normally I do one more demo, and here I would try to show you again, those who have joined late, another demo, and I will, in the earlier demo, we showed how after market open, uh, the software took trades automatically and made $2,000. It took total 23 trades. 19 trades were profitable, 4 were losses, and net gains were $2,000. Now, it took about 25 minutes to achieve $2,000, 25 minutes. Now, is it a one-off thing? So I'm going to repeat this um, uh, uh, repeat this cycle, or reset the session, and I will we can explore again if the software is able to take the trades again. So those who join new, this top colorful bar is the user interface of the software. And one more thing I want to tell people that around 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. Central, we should try and avoid trading, because at 9 o'clock, there are huge institutional orders, and there is a lot of fluctuation back and forth in the market. As you see here, market fluctuated, and if you are trading in that time period, though the software is not going to take the trade because it reached the profit target and trade buttons have been disabled automatically. So it won't take trade, but here I want to show you how the market fluctuates, in this kind of um, 9 o'clock for maybe next couple of minutes. So it's good to sit on hands, not trade around 9 o'clock, and come back to market around 9:05 or so, and see what's going on, and trade accordingly. So here, market opened at in 8:30 and consolidated in a range for some time, and then tried to break out to the upside. Um, then 9 o'clock, volatility came in, but market is still on the uptrend side, um, as far as open is concerned. So my bias should be upside, but I'm going to not show my bias at this moment, because this demo is for to understand the capability of the software. So again, I will use long short buttons, but now since market has moved out of a consolidation and moved trending upwards, I would use use a different strategy called trend trades. Trend trades. Earlier, I had used contrarian. Contrarian is good for a range bound market, and that's my favorite strategy. So I had used that, but now I want to use a different strategy, show you the capability of different strategy, and which is trend trades, and that's useful when market has achieved some kind of trend. Uh, Now again, I will
Order.
take, so
Target filled.
so here,
Target filled.
so if you see, so software took trades in succession here. So it took 4 trades. Three were profitable trades. One was a loss trade, and total 386 in maybe a minute or so. Since when I started, it was 9:05, and in 1 minute and few seconds, it took all these trades in a very in succession in a very short time, and was profitable.
Order filled.
So,
Target filled. Order.
so same story.
Target filled.
So there is a nice trend, and with the trend,
Order.
software is
Target filled.
taking trades. And here there was a pullback. So in pullback, it kind of averaged itself. This was a smaller profit, $80-$90. Here also there was a pullback, and additional positions were added to come out for break even. So here also about $50 a profit, but total $791 out of 10 trades, and that's good, decent money. So those who join late can also join the party. Of course, they need some education.
Target filled.
So again, here we see how it works. $1,000, but one trade is still open. Um,
Target filled. Order. Target filled.
so $1,300 of profit here.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So 1700s now.
Target filled. Order. Target filled.
Almost there. Maybe this trade will give us.
Target filled.
No, not
Order.
yet.
Target filled.
Here you go. So it's $2,000 again. And this time it took less than 25 minutes. It took us about 20 minutes, 20 or 21 minutes to get to the profit of $2,000. So in trend trades, this trend trades, when in a trending market, the trend trades strategy worked well. And so earlier I showed a $2,000 of profit, and again I repeated the same thing again and again $2,000. So in 1 hour of market open, we made $4,000 of profit using this software. So if you had this software, let it run on its own, which is, by the way, not a recommended way of doing it. We teach you how to be conservative. Goal is to not lose the $2,500 that we had risked, and instead make this $2,000 every day. So, our education is geared towards not losing that $2,500. No, because the software keeps you on the right side most of the time, but there are times when software won't work because of extreme market conditions, and our goal is always to avoid those extreme market conditions, and that can be avoided, unfortunately, only by sitting in front of the computer and reacting to the market situation manually. So otherwise it's not a robotic bot which will be profitable 100% of the time. So the 2-3% of time when software goes wrong is what we have to prepare ourselves for, and be careful about. So that's why we lower our expectations of profit from each session and try to be consistent. Instead of profiting $2,000 again $2,000, and then losing a part of our risk, big part of our risk money any day. So again, twice I have shown you the demo. So if $2,000 is possible, then definitely definitely the $50 I set out for in our business model should also be easily possible. Should be possible just with one trade. So instead of 50, if you take $100, you know, uh, per day, then you'll make $2,000 per month. And if you can 10x that um, that amount, then it's $20,000 a month, and you can 10x that profit by trading parallelly in multiple accounts. So trading 10 accounts simultaneously, and you can multiply your profit. So 10,000, 20,000, depending on how much you make per day per account. So so 10 to 10 $20,000 profit per month you can achieve by trading parallelly in multiple accounts. This is an example of how you trade in across multiple accounts. So if you make $100 per account across multiple, let's say 10 accounts, then it's $1,000 a day, or $20,000 a month, or $240,000 a year. And that's financial freedom for most of us. Uh, so this is just example of how you trade parallelly across multiple accounts. And this software helps you the same way as the training wheels or the guide rails in a bowling alley, especially when you are new to trading, especially when you are new to trading. And this is an example of some certificates that you receive once you pass an evaluation by a funding provider. Here, the premise is you don't use your own money. There are companies. We help you get the funds so you for trading, so you don't risk your own money. And there is an evaluation process in that program, which once you pass, this company sends you a certificate uh, like this. And so that's the business model here. You invest a small amount of less than $5,000 and be able to make income about $10,000 to $20,000 a month. So the decision time, whether it's for you, Sliver Bullet's trading system. Again, this is not a elaborate presentation. You can go and watch our other YouTube videos for an elaborate training about our overview of this system. But if you want to ask yourself a question whether it's the right one for you, um, um, you don't need it if you have a safe job for life, because you have safe job for life. And it's not for you if you have a source of huge passive income. In that case, you don't even have to spend an hour every day and show up on the trading screen. And if you are happy with your current financial situation and your future, you don't need it, because happiness is state of mind. Money could help, but it's not everything to be happy. And but you definitely need Sliver Bullet Trading System if you want to control your financial future by spending only 60 to 90 minutes a day. And we showed you in 1 hour of demo how the software took trades and made us showed us good results. And again, it is not a get rich overnight scheme. You have to do work on it. You have to acquire trading skills, then spend an hour a day trading. But once you have this, this sky is the limit. You can be a very successful and profitable trader. Your now options: you can drop drop this opportunity, you can delay the knowledge, and delay the acquisition of this skill, a trading skill. But that's costly. This is not taught in schools or colleges. You spend a lot of time and waste a lot of money to understand trading. It's not simply buying and selling activity. So delaying is not a good option. You can figure it out yourself. If you put time and effort, you can figure out anything. But we have shortened the time and made it very inexpensive to acquire this skill. So, you know, we'll it will really speed it up if you join our program. You can opt for some other trading program, but we haven't seen any program in the market which gives you all the three: the trading education, the trading software, and funded accounts. So we provide all three through our program. So if you decide, you can best option would be for to go for Sliver Bullet Trading System. And it costs you, the retail price of Sliver Bullet Trading System, the pro version, is $6,000. But we run a promotion. We take 30% off of um, this pro version, and that comes for $4,200. We give you the lifetime license of the software, which includes 2 months of access to Sliver Trades Academy and weekly group training and support. So, so you can, um, you know, uh, learn how to go about it and um, start trading yourself. So 4 weeks of trading is included, access to Sliver Trades Academy is included, and then followed by 4 weeks of support. Um, So we are going to add some additional bonuses. So the promo, which lasts till tomorrow, will throw in a subscription, first month subscription for 50K evaluation account. So you don't pay anything out of pocket after you join our program, and it gives you funds to start trading. And we are working on launching Bitcoin trading strategy. When we launch it, it will be available for $1,500. You can get that for free if you join uh, by tomorrow. But we have special for those who are attending the webinar today. Uh, but before the special, I want to show you how to make this purchase. What you do is you go to our website, slivertrades.com, and use this code launch30 to get 30% discount. So once you go to slivertrades.com, head over to software section of the um, site, and click on buy now button. And once you click on buy now button, you come to this page, and you click on agreement. Make sure you read this document because this has important licensing information and license maintenance fee information and all that. So once you read that agreement, uh, click this add to cart button, and then view cart. And here you see the retail price. You check out as a guest. You don't need to sign up, just check out as guest and enter the code launch 30. And when you apply, you will get the price of 30% off, and you'll get it for $44,200. Once you make the purchase, we'll send you a welcome link, and then we'll also give you access to our academy. So if you click on academy on our website, you'll come here, and here you will get access to all our lessons and video recordings of the past sessions. And this will give you some handy material to get started, and Then you can attend our training, for which we'll send you a training schedule um, after you make the purchase. But for those who are attending the webinar today, we want to give you a special something special. So we'll, instead of 30% off, you'll get our program for 40% off. So you pay only $3,600. So we tried to bring the cost of this system down well below $5,000, which I showed you in the business model. So this Sliver Bullet Trading System is available for $3,600, but it's available only today. And those who are interested will have to contact us first to get the coupon for 40% off. We do not display our coupon. It's limited in number and reserved mostly for our webinar attendees. So contact us or email us at these uh, numbers and email address, and we will send you the coupon for 40% off. So the number is 331-255-3656, and email address is info@slivertrades.com. Thank you very much for joining the webinar, and you all have a great weekend. Bye now.